Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. On this video we're going to be discussing about how to make money on Fiverr as a life coach or an instructor. So what I mean by life coach? A life coach is someone who encourages and counsel clients on a range of professional and personal issues. Life coaching is distinct from giving advice, consulting, counseling, mentoring, and administrating therapy. So that's just a brief about what I mean by life coach. And also, let's jump right to Fiverr and see what we are talking about and how to get started. So, click on this. Okay, so here we are on Fiverr already, so I'll move on here to lifestyle, then life coaching. You just add the category there. So click on life coaching here, then you'll see a bunch of gigs already there. So here on this page there is 4,025 gigs on this page already. And as you can see here, on this first gig, the seller said, I will coach you to confidence, happiness, and success in life. Okay. This second gig says, I will coach you to manage your emotions. This third gig says, I will send you a life coaching PowerPoint training package. And the fourth said, I will be your tender coach, boosting your profile and much more. So this 51 said, I will be your life coach. Let's click on this. I'll be your life coach. So probably you have an idea on how to coach people or an organization regarding what I just said. So this kind of gig is very perfect for you. Let's check on the gig package as well as the gig description as well. So this seller said she will do 30 minutes intro session. So intro session to identify your goal, needs, and different approach for your personal development for $15. Okay, 45-minute section. That's that. And also the premium package says 45-minute section. Let's check on the gig package description. Sorry. Okay, so she said, with my eclectic approach to life coaching, leadership, and personal development coaching, you can get resources and strategies to develop yourself as an individual, to work on strengthening your character, to find internal motivation, and even to help you move on when you are stagnant without making the progress you would like to. Okay, do other factors playing a role in your mind. So this seller is from UK, and the profile says, I love working with people from different cultures and backgrounds. I can provide resources and strategies to help you managing unpleasant emotion, reframing your mindset, self-motivation, self-confidence, getting back control when you are stagnant at home, and so on and so forth. So that's that. You can also check on another gigs to see more. Okay, let me scroll up and think of this man. Okay. Yep. So let's see. Upload this video. I think the best way when you are creating your gig is just to have a video which will be well explained more about a service. So that's it. And there are some certain keywords that you can use whereby your gig will rank just like these people on this first page. Using instructors. Let's check on this. Let's check on the gig tags. Let's see. Okay, life coaching, happiness, leadership, confidence. Let's check on the first gig that we see too. So it says life coaching, motivation, self-esteem, life coaching, confidence. So you can as well use some other keywords that are related to life coaching, which are instructors. There are different keywords that you can use, but as for me, if I want to go into this niche, I will rather create like 2 gigs on this category. So you see here, instructors have only 61 gigs, which if you make use of it, your gig will rank faster than probably using the life coaching. And of course, you can use both together. If you said, I will be your life coaching, coaching instructor, then some other keywords that I believe it's okay. Self-motivation. You can use your gig title like this, and then on your tag as well. You can this is 3 keywords already, which are self-motivation, instructor, and then life coaching. Then you can have some other related keywords to it. So because I believe that you're going to be using like 5 keywords on your gig tag. So then you make use of these keywords on your gig description as well, and the package, so that it will be well explained to buyers that want to click or purchase your service. I don't think I need to take much of the time because this is already well explained, and there is a go ahead on how to get started. You can also check on my other videos which well explain how you can create a Fiverr account and then set up a gig like this. But if you have a question regarding this video, just let me know in the comment, and I'll definitely give a response to it as soon as I can. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch. Thank you.